Imagine a spark. Not just any spark, but one that ignites a revolution. This spark is not of fire, but of ideas. It's the spark of generative AI, a new form of artificial intelligence poised to reshape our world. We stand on the cusp of a new era, one where machines don't just follow instructions, but dream, design, and create alongside us. This isn't science fiction. This is happening now. From crafting stunning visuals to composing music, generative AI is blurring the line between human and machine creativity. It's a tool, a partner, a muse, pushing us to rethink the limits of what's possible. But like any powerful force, we must approach it with both excitement and responsibility. We're entering a world where imagination is the only limit. Are you ready to explore the universe of generative AI? At its core, generative AI is a form of artificial intelligence that goes beyond simply analyzing existing data. It's about creating something entirely new. Think of a traditional AI as a master chef who can perfectly replicate any recipe. They excel at following instructions, but they don't invent new dishes. Generative AI, on the other hand, is like a culinary artist who experiments with flavors, textures, and ingredients to craft dishes never tasted before. It learns from existing data, but then uses this knowledge to generate original content. This could be anything from writing a piece of music to designing a new building, or even generating a realistic image from a simple text prompt. The possibilities are as boundless as the human imagination. It's like handing a paintbrush to a computer and watching it paint a masterpiece. Behind this creative power lies a symphony of complex algorithms. Three key players orchestrate this technological ballet: GANs, VAEs, and transformers. Imagine GANs, or Generative Adversarial Networks, as a competition between two AI systems. One acts as the artist, creating new content, while the other plays the role of the art critic, evaluating its authenticity. This back and forth pushes both systems to improve, resulting in increasingly realistic and creative outputs. Then we have VAEs, or Variational Autoencoders. Think of them as master code breakers, compressing complex data into a simplified code and then using this code to reconstruct the original data. This process allows them to generate new data points that share characteristics with the original data set. Finally, we have transformers, the architects of language. They excel at understanding and processing sequential data, such as text. By recognizing patterns and relationships within the data, they can generate human-quality text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. Section 4. A universe of applications. The applications of generative AI are as diverse as the constellations in our night sky. In art and design, it's assisting artists in creating breathtaking visuals and exploring new forms of artistic expression. Imagine a world where algorithms collaborate with architects to design futuristic buildings or aid fashion designers in creating personalized clothing lines. In healthcare, generative AI is being used to develop new drugs, personalized treatment plans, and even generate synthetic medical images for research and diagnosis. The ability to analyze vast data sets and identify patterns makes it a powerful tool for medical breakthroughs. In the realm of entertainment, it's composing music, writing scripts, and even creating lifelike characters for video games and movies. The line between reality and artificiality is blurring, opening up exciting new possibilities for storytelling and immersive experiences. From revolutionizing industries to enhancing our daily lives, generative AI is poised to leave its mark on every facet of human endeavor. Section 5. The double-edged sword. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As with any transformative technology, generative AI presents both immense opportunities and potential risks. One pressing concern is the potential for misuse. The same technology that can create art can be used to generate deepfakes, synthetic media that blurs the line between truth and fiction, with potentially harmful consequences. Another challenge is ensuring fairness and preventing bias. Since generative AI algorithms learn from existing data, they can inherit and even amplify biases present in that data, leading to discriminatory outcomes. We must be vigilant in developing and deploying these technologies responsibly, addressing bias, and ensuring equitable access and outcomes for all. Section 6. Your invitation to explore. The journey into generative AI is just beginning. It's a vast and uncharted territory, ripe with possibilities for those brave enough to explore. For beginners, the first step is simple. Be curious. Read articles, watch videos, and experiment with freely available AI tools. There are countless online resources and communities eager to welcome newcomers. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and start creating. The beauty of generative AI is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a coding whiz or a tech expert to start experimenting and unleashing your creative potential. The future is not something to be predicted, but something to be imagined and built. So let your curiosity be your guide and join us as we venture into the exciting frontier of generative AI.